Sunrise lighting up the fields again, wind dancing through the pines like a friend. Every river, every mountain high, every star hanging in the night sky. This world ain't ours, it never was. Every breath I breathe comes from His love. From the ocean waves to the gravel roads, His fingerprints are everywhere I go. And when I stop and look around, I can hear creation singing out. Open up the gates, let the King come in. Let His light shine through every heart again. He's the hope for the broken, strength for the weak, the answer every searching soul needs. Lift your eyes higher than you've ever been. Leave your worries in the wind. The King of Glory's moving through this place. So open up the gates. This world tells us to chase shiny things, fame, fortune, that don't mean a thing. But a pure heart and honest hands are worth more than silver in the sand. The ones who seek Him will always find peace that money could never buy. And every step along the way, His mercy meets us every day. Yeah, the door is open wide for anyone who's ready for new life. Open up the gates, let the King come in. Let His light shine through every heart again. He's the hope for the broken, strength for the weak, the answer every searching soul needs. Lift your eyes higher than you've ever been. Leave your worries in the wind. The King of Glory's moving through this place. So open up the gates. He's stronger than the storms we face, bigger than our biggest mistakes. The same God who made the sky still walks with us every night. And when the whole world feels upside down, His love is solid ground. So throw those old chains to the side and let His freedom come alive. Open up the gates, let the King come in. Let revival start deep within. He's the hope for the broken, strength for the weak,